Did you know that your home's equity could be your secret weapon to achieving your dreams? Most homeowners don't realize just how much potential their equity holds. And today, I'm going to share 6 smart and creative strategies for you to help tap into your equity. Hey, I'm Ravi Ramachandran with the Rams Group, serving the Seattle and Eastside areas. I am passionate about helping homeowners and buyers make the most out of their opportunities in real estate. And today, I am going to share 6 ways that you can leverage your home equity to your advantage and help you meet your goals. If after watching this video, you have questions or want to learn more about how to effectively leverage your home's equity in smarter ways, I've included my contact information in the description below. Feel free to call, DM, or text, and I'm happy to get you all the details. Now back at it. Did you know that your home's equity is a powerful tool at your disposal that can help you achieve your goals as a homeowner? No, really, have you thought about it? For starters, what is home equity? Home equity is the current value of your home minus the outstanding mortgage. Now, there's a high likelihood that your equity grew substantially over the past few years, especially when the market was super hot and home values were on a steep uphill. And here's the kicker. According to CoreLogic, a company which tracks the home equity stats across the US, said that in 2024, the average homeowner across the US has approximately $311,000 in their home equity. Now this map shows you the amount gained in equity year over year, broken by state. As shown, some states saw their home equity decline just in the past year. However, states along the East Coast saw an average increase in equity of greater than about $30,000. With that insight out of the way, let's dive into the 6 creative ways you could use your home equity to your advantage, shall we? Number 1. Fund and education. Now, whether you're preparing to go back to college or school or have a loved one who is, the thought of paying higher education expense can be a little overwhelming, right? In either situation, you can tap into your home's equity to pay for those costs. You are using the built-up equity in your home as an investment in someone's future. Could be your future too. Number 2, use your home equity to build money trees. That is interesting. What is that? Well, have you ever wondered about tapping into your home equity, pulling it out, and using it as a down payment for your second home or rental? Really phenomenal, right? Now you are building your home's equity, which is an asset, by the way, and are using it as a down payment for your home number 2 and so on. This way you can build a rental portfolio. And the best part is, you are letting the appreciation in real estate values take care of funding your future purchase of properties, and literally with little to no money out of hand. Cool, right? Now I'm happy to brainstorm and help you understand how this can work for you and your particular situation. Number 3, move to your dream location. If the size of your home is not a challenge, however the location is, it may be time for you to relocate. Maybe you enjoy living amidst the mountains or close to the beaches or what have you, or in other areas that you are dreaming of living year-round. Or perhaps the distance between you and your loved ones is greater than you'd like for it to be, and you'd like to stay closer. Now regardless, your home's equity can help you buy a property in the location of your dreams. Number 4, using your home equity to buy a home that fits your needs. Now what do I mean? If you're finding your home being smaller than the space that you actually need, it might be time for you to upsize. Or on the other hand, you could have too much space in your home and would like to get something smaller. Now, whatever your situation, consider using your home's equity to move into a home that fits your needs and is to your liking. Number 5, here's another creative one, starting a new business. You can use your home's equity to invest in a new business venture. How cool is that? Now, the US Small Business Administration Office says that there are about 33.3 million small business owners all across the US, and many of whom started their businesses by tapping into the equity they built in their homes, which was like staggering to me. Thought I'd share. Lastly, number 6, use the equity that you built in your home to pay off those high interest credit cards. If you accrued a lot of credit card debt, using your home's equity to pay off those credit cards is an option. While it is not recommended that homeowners tap into their home's equity for unnecessary spending, this, however, is an option should the situation be dire and you have somewhere to turn to. I've provided a few resources below for you to get educated. Those are the 6. If you have any questions or would like to brainstorm or reach specialists who can help you tap into your home's equity, feel free to connect. I provided my contact information in the description below, and feel free to DM, call, or text, and I'm happy to get you squared away. My goal with this video was to plant a seed to get your creative thoughts flowing about how you can leverage the equity that you built in your home to fund your current and future dreams. You have more creative tools in your arsenal than you thought, right? If you found this video informative, consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon to get notified for other productive strategies that I'm going to be making videos on going forward for you to benefit. Until next time, you stay safe and connect soon.